Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick little DIY, we're going to be upgrading the lighting on my 2016 BMW M5 competition car. This is going to be a sleek little LED edition. Let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, so you're probably wondering what LED changes am I doing on my 2016 M5? Well, with it being cold here in Ohio, got it on the trickle charger there. Let me take you around to the car itself. Now the M5 has plenty of LED lights on it per se, like all the door handles are LED like that, so that way you can exactly see. So once you get into the interior, it's all the opposite. With the door handles being a bright white light, we're going to be swapping out the puddle lights here. It's the halogen, and we're going to do a bright white light. Same thing on the rear door here. Same thing, halogen on that side, actual bright white LED there. And then the same for the trunk. The trunk has, yet again, another halogen and the bigger one right there. Now, one thing to finish off the LED look that I will also be doing here this week. So your reverse lights is something very simple. Are halogen, of course. I have some LEDs, so we'll replace that out. So then when you're in reverse, you don't have the typical just halogen light. You have the LED that will go and match everything else on the outside for LED. What I mentioned about in the interior, you're gonna have, just normal standard halogen lights everywhere you look. Your main ones up at the front. So they did do like some typical just LEDs down there in the footwells, but the next ones that I will need to change so everything is matching and looking good is the one up above in the front and then in the back. We're gonna open up the driver's side door. Take this flathead screwdriver, pry right here, and the light will pull right off. Pulling right here. I'm gonna take my kit from iJDM Toy. That's gonna be LED and bright white. There we go. Plug that one on in. Then you're gonna route it back up in there. Push on this side. Matches perfectly with the door handles, with the bright white when you're getting in the car there. Just so you can see a difference before we move to the trunk here, shining against the car. Here's the back, halogen. There's the front. Door handles. It's that perfect look. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. I'm gonna start with this one up here, right here on the trunk lid. Take your flathead screwdriver. There's a little spot right here where you pry at. There's actually like a little indent in here, so that way it can pry on there. So pry on it and then pull it out. Now I've ran these iJDM lights on, actually I have them on my 335i right now, and I've had them on for, probably 5-6 years I think it is. It's been a really long time, so it's one of the main reasons why I decided to buy the same brand again, just because those are still working. There you go. That seems to work better. So just fish on up through there. And then have it just like that. Last one in the trunk area, which it's this replacement here. Pry on it there, pull down. Unplug that one. There we go, plug that all the way in. Much brighter now. That side in. There's a little clip, retaining clip over here. Push in. There we have it. All right, so now with the car all the way outside, what you can actually see what the M5 looks like with the upgraded LEDs. The trunk, how much light now is coming in the trunk. Pure white light. Then obviously you have one there. And then coming around the sides here. All right, guys, well, that does it for today for this quick little DIY. Upgrading your lighting on your BMW is an easy thing to do. And, you know, just doing the white light versus the halogen on the doors and, of course, the halogen in the trunk makes it just look that much more redefined. All the lighting used in this DIY, all plug and play, all error-free and everything. I'm gonna put them down in the description box below. They're actually the same exact brand that I run on my 335i, which I have the exact same lights there for the both doors and of course for the trunk. So I've been pleased with that over the last few years, so that's why I went with the same brand for the M5. It's treating me well and all is there. So definitely check them out down in the description box below. Big thumbs up on today's quick little DIY. Subscribe to the channel for some more M5 content. Also 335i content, plenty of stuff out there for you guys. And thanks again. So hopefully you have a great rest of your week. Take care.
Chuki B.